day one, Warsaw, Poland. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. I'm not vibing it right now. I don't know what it is. Like, it took me 30 hours since when I left my home to go through the airport, 2 flights to get to the hostel, and that was last night. I couldn't even do a video because my brain was just so cooked. Anyway, what we're gonna do, I need some water really bad because I found out pretty quick last night you can't drink the tap water. So we're gonna go find a corner shop. Okay, cool. Zupka. It's actually so cheap here. 270, so that's like 80 cents maybe. Good morning.
That's all?
That's all. Sweet. Alright, so there's some dog out here going crazy. We're gonna go suss it. Is he friendly or? Hostel life so far, one night in, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm not enjoying it. It's just so different to what I'm used to. So I've got a 6 dorm room, so it's just 5 guys at the moment. I've got the aircon on, which is good, but it's actually so stuffy in there. I woke up this morning and there was like no fresh air. They just smelled like garlic and alcohol. Like, absolutely disgusting. I'm getting the weirdest looks here, hey. Everyone's staring me down. I don't know if it's what I'm wearing or what. I don't think anyone speaks English, so no one knows what I'm saying. Hi. Hi. Oh, there we go. Well, he did understand hi, so I guess that's a start. Good morning. Can I grab some breakfast? Thank you. See, this just doesn't make sense to me. How come you can get like a whole breakfast for equivalent of like $7 Australian, but then for a coffee, it's like $5? That's just so weird. So you do get things that are heaps cheaper, and then some things are just normal Australian prices. Alright, but I'm gonna go probably scrambled eggs and bacon and salad. Just can't really go wrong with that, can you? Dzień dobry. I speak English, is that alright?
Sure.
Can I please get the number 1, scrambled eggs with bacon?
Okay.
Do you do espresso martinis?
Sorry?
Espresso martini?
Espresso martini.
Yeah.
If you want, I take.
It's a good way to start the day. Is that alright?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you very much. So, as you heard, espresso martini for breakfast. I figured it's always probably a good way to start the day. Never done it before, but why not? Thank you. Can I grab some water too?
Sorry?
Water? Thank you.
Still?
Yes, still. 10:09 a.m. It's good. Fucking strong too. Oh, thank you so much. Wow, that looks pretty good, I've got to be honest. Yeah, it's good. Check out the bacon. Right, so I ordered bacon and eggs. That's the bacon. So for comparison, that's what you get. Now, I'm not saying Australia is better. I'm pretty over it, to be honest, but at least they give us adequate amounts of bacon. But what do? They've dish me up on a salad. Maybe it's a hidden message. I need to get a bit more healthy. Who knows? But what do? You just gotta enjoy it, really. See if it tastes any good, but it's alright. It's very different. It's very thick and fatty. So brekkie is done finally, but I realise here everyone is asking for cash for payment, and yeah, I literally haven't got any cash. On the way here from the airport, the taxi guy, he full just pretends he doesn't even have a FPOS machine. He's like, "You got cash?" And I'm like, "No." And then he gets the shit, pulls the FPOS machine out of the glove box, and then I used it, but he got the shits hard. So I figured I'm going to pull out some cash, and it'll be cool to see what it looks like as well. Just putting it out there. Starting your day with an espresso martini is amazing. I feel great. I don't know why I haven't done that before. Hey, dzień dobry. Did you understand? Maybe. Who knows?
Just avoid the one, try to get to the ones which are branded by the specific bank.
Yep, okay.
Because there are these like international ones and they always have very bad exchange rate.
Yeah, so I got pretty ripped off just then. Just to take out $33, I worked it out, was $6. But anyway, I wanted to get the note for the video so you can see what it looks like. And that's it. Oh, there we go. Check out these little stairs. I think you're meant to step on them and then sit up on that railing. I don't know. It just doesn't seem like it would be allowed, but here, who knows? Alright, so this is a hostel I'm staying. There is currently hello? That's the little table where we have our meetings, which we don't actually have. We've got these lockers. Can lock all your stuff in there. It's pretty big, which is good. And then that's my bed. You got this curtain, which blocks out sun or just privacy for whatever you want. So I was going to end the video there, but the people of Warsaw have decided to wake up and the sun's out and I'm getting absolutely roasted here. I always thought Poland was meant to be cold because you always see it in movies and it's snowing and all that, but obviously seasons. Hey. So I found like this ancient ruins. I don't know if it's been rebuilt. I don't know, maybe you can let me know in the comments, but yeah, have a look at this. So cool. So as I was saying before, apparently all of this area here was like completely bombed and destroyed in World War II, and all of this was rebuilt off just photos and paintings of the area, and they got it looking pretty much exactly the same as how it was.
Hello.
Hey buddy,
Hey, what's for you?
what have you got on offer?
I have lemonade and virgin mojito.
Oh yeah,
What
do
do
you-
you want?
virgin mojito. What is it?
It is a lemonade with lemon, with sugar, brown sugar. I don't know what does it mean in English. With mine.
Yeah, brown sugar.
Brown sugar
That's the way.
with mine and a little bit of lemon.
Let's do it.
Yeah. Okay, I'm. Can you cut?
Are you Polish or
Yeah, I'm from Poland.
are you? You're the nicest Polish person I've come across in the last 24 hours.
Okay. I must,
Sanitize?
Yeah.
I haven't actually got the virus yet.
Yeah.
I still haven't got it.
Okay.
I don't think I will. How about you?
That's not a problem. I'm not scared about this.
You're not scared? I'm not scared. Oh wow, it's old school.
Yeah, that's old school, and there is the best juice is from there, because the all flavor staying inside
Yeah,
this,
yeah.
and we don't.
Yeah, you keep all the pulp and everything, yeah.
Right now lemon, lime. Oh my god, lime.
Lime?
Lime, yeah. That's your first time in Warsaw?
Yeah. First time in Europe
my
yesterday.
God.
But
Where are
I'm
you
going to be
from?
traveling for the next year.
Where are you from?
Australia.
Australia. Oh my god.
Yeah.
How far off there?
I know, it took me like 30 hours to get
Yeah.
here. I'm so exhausted.
I try to do for you my best lemonade. You can
Yeah. What's this, water?
it's cold water,
Yeah.
and that's all.
Okay.
That's only natural things.
It's not tap water, but is it?
Yeah.
Or it is?
There is, yeah.
It's tap water? Will I get
Tap
sick?
No, tap water only. Tap
Okay,
water.
okay.
12 zloty.
12?
12.
So what are these worth?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Awesome.
That's all. Thank you. Have a
Let-
nice day.
Yeah.
Bye.
I'll try it first.
Okay.
It's good.
Yeah.
It's refreshing.
Thanks. I do my best for you.
See you, buddy.
Bye.